Today we'll be sharing some files with you, dear viewers. So as you can see, this is Photoshop. So I have this template I've already done for this design. I'll be sharing it on the link. Do well to watch the video to the end of it. That will enable you to get the password to access this file on Google Drive. So this file is editable. You don't need to be an expert in order for you to use this file. As you can see on the layer panel, the layers are well organized so that you can edit them and insert your content as you wish. So they are very editable and movable. So you can do that. So I have another one here. This is a flyer I recently did. So you can edit it also. And they are print ready. They are print ready mockups, yeah, templates, not mockup, templates for your designs. So you can just edit them and use them as you wish. You can also change the colors. The colors can also be changed on the layer panel. You have all the colors here. Yeah, that's the background. You can change the color as you wish. I have it as black. You see, the blacks make sense. So this, see, okay. So you can also have this as black, and it's going to come out very well too. Yeah, you see how it comes very nice and cool. So you can also work on these areas where you have the green under if you don't want to the greens to be there too. You can work on that and you have your flyer very neat. So that is it. This is not they are not just two flyers, other flyers here. This is the third one. I'll be sharing all of these files on the Google Drive. So as I said, if you have to watch the video to the end, watch the video to the end. In order for you to access these files, I'll be embedding the password to the files in this video. These are highly editable and high resolution flyers ready for print and even for social media. Uh, just yeah, if you want to print them, you can print, or you have to do some little setting for bleeding at the edges if you want to print. These are the free files that are available for today. In subsequent time, I'll be sharing more flyers, more templates, very good templates. So send your request on the comment section if you want a particular template